I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Tecno Spark 10 Pro actually has NFC hardware. Once done, plug it into power if battery is low and disable aggressive battery saver so the radio stays active. Next, go to Settings, tap Connectivity or More, find NFC and toggle it on. You need to make sure Android Beam or Tap to Pay options are visible. If prompted, allow permissions. Once NFC is on, you're ready to move to pairing or payment configuration. You now decide whether you'll use NFC for cards, transit, or reading tags. If payments, open your wallet or Google Pay, add a card and complete bank verification. Once approved, set it as default. If reading tags, enable tag reading in NFC settings or install a simple NFC reader app. To interact, hold the phone's top back area over the tag or terminal. Sensors need contact within a few centimeters. Once the phone beeps or shows confirmation, that means data transfer succeeded. You finish by verifying the expected result: a successful transaction, an opened URL, or displayed tag content. If nothing happens, make sure the NFC toggle is still on. Then restart the phone or toggle NFC off and on to reset the radio. Make sure your phone case or metal accessory isn't blocking the back sensor, and exclude battery optimization for the wallet or NFC reader app. If problems persist, clear app cache or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.